I hit this shit. Let me start this bitch over. Wipe my goddamn shit off. What's happening? It's your boy. About to do this freestyle, right? I did it for my dogs. You already know me, nigga. I be goddamn doing this shit while driving, nigga. It's nothing to me. Yeah. Oh, Lord. I did it for my dogs. CB, CT, Big Quint, my nigga JR. Yeah. I did it for my niggas and they already know the business. You niggas don't want it cause you know how I be in this. Swimming in this pussy, she know that it's good shit. Long ass dick and I'ma keep on fucking pushing. Fuck these niggas that be hating. I know that they waiting for me to straight fall, nigga. I just ball, no contemplating. Try me if you want it, if you feel you be underneath. Hold the ground in the streets and the river, please, boy. Don't fuck with me, on my damn team. You already know niggas A and damn T. And I'm busting nigga please with a 9mm and extendo when it squeeze. Like a lemon or an orange. You know that I'm getting it. Trying to get that new foreign. Trying to get that new foreign. Yes I am. Yes I is. I'm all up in this bitch. Tell that hoe to suck a dick. Cause I did it for my niggas. Did it for my dogs. Did it for my niggas that's always trying to ball. And I'm still rocking my Ray-Bans. Oh Lord. Fuck that nigga talking that shit cause I'm in his jaw. You don't want this problem. Not at all, cousin. I'm all up in this bitch and best believe that I be buzzing. Not no piece of man or no fucking bumblebee. Bury your ass right under the damn peach tree. I'm talking about the street though, nigga, cause I know that thing stretch longer than limos. Nigga, I be busting at your ass, make you do limbo. That mean that you gon' drop, nigga, I will not flop. Cause I'm on damn top. Like when a bitch ride me. A bitch shy shit, she ain't even shy about that cause she gon' straight bust it. Open, I'm smoking, never fucking choking, I'm rolling. Wish it was a Rolls Royce or something, but shit, it's an Oldsmobile. I'm still bumping, still fucking thumping, like I got some 12s, but it might be 15s, I'm on my way to hell. Bust it, make it swell, keep on going nigga, only time will tell what the fuck happened cause you know that I be clapping nigga, fuck that shit you talking cause A&T bout that action homie. Yeah. 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 I did it for my dogs, oh Lord. I did it for my dogs. Yeah.